I'd like to welcome each one of you dedicated leaders at the various union offices who have been faithful in returning tithe and offerings to the division. This is to give you a report of the hard work and dedication you've placed in this work. May the Lord bless each one of you as you see the fruit of the labor that you have made over the period 2015 to 2020. I want to share my screen with you so that we can begin the discussion and the projection of these reports based upon the data that is submitted to us union by union, year by year, 2015 to 2018, as of the time of preparing this report. When you look at the chart before you, you see a column with blue, you see a column with yellow, you see a column with green. And then you see a column here that has something like light brown. Now, in this column here is a white column. This is the accumulated total of tithe that comes yearly to what? In 2015, we were 22.9 million. 2016, 22.8 million. 2017, 21.2 million. 2018, 22.6 million. Now, in the green column is the Southern Ghana Union Conference. You can see that every year from 2015 through to 2020, the Southern Ghana Union Conference brings the highest volume of tithe to our division, followed by the yellow column that depicts the Northern Ghana Union Mission, bringing the second highest volume of tithe. Of course, there are those who are the least or the lowest, also who bring the least or the lowest, as depicted in the columns that you see. But what is intriguing about this report is the fact that both Southern Ghana Union and Union Conference and Northern Ghana Union Mission seem to be following a pattern that we need to look at and observe and learn from based on membership. We're going to look at this membership closely in the next chart that we'll be using when we get done with this particular chart we're using right now. But when we look at the overall, the sum of the volume of tithe that comes year by year, and we compare 2015 with 2017, we will discover either an increase or a decrease based on the volume that comes. For 2015 and 2017, 2015 and 2016, for example, when you work the math, you realize that there is a drop or a decrease of minus 0.29% in tithe. Between the period of 2016 and 2017, when you work the math, you discover a drop of negative 6.97. But in 2017 and 2018, you see a growth rate, a percentage of 10.07. This is where we have the concern that the unions are doing well, but the unions are not consistent in their accumulation of tithe and offerings. And the question is, what is the reason for this inconsistency that we realize? For the combined offering, it is the same story. It is Southern Ghana Union Conference, the highest, Northern Ghana Union Conference, the second highest, and then the lowest is also there. And then the accumulated offering per year to WA is depicted in the light brown column on your screen. Time will not permit for us to do a detailed analysis of these, but it gives you a picture of what is happening in our field. Now let's look at the membership, which is a very major and important component of all these reports that we are making. The issue is membership. We are looking at preliminary analysis of 2015 to 2019 records toward a projection formula for 2021 to 2025. What we are trying to do in effect is that as we look at the membership growth rate, the changes in growth of membership, the changes in percentage of growth, the question is, how will these changes affect our returns from the unions to the division? Now, I'm going to take some few unions to just highlight the understanding of the pattern of growth or changes in membership. 2015, 2016, 2.9, 2016, 2017, 8.3, 2017, 2018, 6.7, 2018, 2019, 2.5. That is what CMUM recorded in her membership. There have been changes in percentage year by year. They are growing astronomically. Every union is growing. How does the growth translate into how it influence our giving of tithe and offering? Let's jump to Enoch. Enoch, 2015, 2016, 4.2. 2016, 2017, 11, 3.5. 2017, 2018, 9.0. 2018, 2019, 2.9. We see a kind of fluctuation, a kind of lack of consistency in the growth or the change pattern in the membership growth. However, growth is on the ascendancy. It is growing. Let's move to Southern Ghana Union Conference. 2015, 2016, 9.3 percentage change in the membership. 2016, 2017, 11.8 percentage change in membership. 2017, 2018, 9.0 percentage change membership. 2018 to 2019, 5.2 percentage change in membership. Growing astronomically from 121,000 in 2015 to 175,886 in 2019. So Ghana Union Conference. Enoch, 134,672 in 2015 to 164,766 in 2019. CMUM, 93,503 2015 to now 115,371 2019. Looking at Northern Ghana Union Conference, for instance, 5.9% between 2015 and 2016. Membership change, percentage change. 2016, 2017, 5.6 percentage change in membership. 2017 and 2018, 5.6 2018 and 2019, minus 1.7. There are consistency and inconsistency in membership change or membership growth. However, there is membership increase. For Northern Ghana Union Conference or Union Mission, it was 168,665 in 2015. They now stand at 195,514 members in this particular union. The question and analysis is drawing our attention to how this translates into our tithe and offering return. From 2015 to 2016, we see the same depiction of the chart we look at just now. You can see the lines showing you how the growth is inconsistent, how the growth is depicted. 2016 and 2015 is represented by this color, and that is the color here. You can see the fluctuation. You can see it as a goal for CMUM. You come to CAUM, you can see the fluctuation the same way as a goal. When you come to 2016 and 2017, you see that the red is the period and the fluctuation as a goal. When you come to 2017, 2018, this dull khaki color is the depiction of the membership change percentage-wise. And this is for Southern Ghana Union Conference. You can see it here. Enoch, you can see it there. Western Nigeria Union Conference, you can see the depiction as you go. And 2018, 2019, with this color, you can see how it fluctuates with the conferences, with the unions, the various unions. You can see the different graph depicting how the membership change is taking place. Let's look at the combined offerings and the change in percentage of growth year by year. When you look at 2015 and 2018 for CMUM, the percentage change is 18.6. When you look at 2016 and 2017, the percentage change is 15.7%. When you look at 2017 and 2018, it's 22.4. 2018 and 2019, the percentage is minus 6.5. So there are changes in percentage of the combined offerings between 2015 and 2018 for CMUM. Similarly, you come to Enoch, you can see the percentage change, 2015 to 2018, 48.5%. 2016 to 2017, minus 39.3%. 2017 to 2018, 22.6%. And then 2018 to 2019, 4.7%. When you come to Southern Ghana Union Conference, you see 2015 and 2016, 8.6%, 2016, 2017, 9.6%, 2017, 2018, 3.8%, and then 2018, 2019, minus 3.4% for combined offering coming to the division. Now we move to Northern Ghana Union Mission. 2015, 2016, 9.3%. 2016, 2017, 3.9%. 2017, 2018, 8.1%. 2018, 2019, minus 5.8%. The question that we are trying to find answer to is why the inconsistency in the returns from the various unions. This same chart is graphically depicted here in this graphical notation here. From 2015 to 2016, you can see how this color represents 2015 to 2016. And that is it here. Coming here, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, and going up. That is the inconsistency. When it comes to 2016 and 2017, the red line is depicting. So for CMUM, you can see where they are. You can see how they are. CAUM, Enoch, Southern Ghana Union Conference, West Nigeria Union Conference, Northern Ghana Union Mission, Northern Nigeria Union Conference, Eastern Sahel Union Mission, WAHUM, West Sahel Union Mission. You can see the graphical notation here, telling you year by year how they are faring according to the graph here. 2018 to 2019 depicted by this particular line running straight across and climbing up, coming down. These are giving us a picture of the changes that are taking place in both the membership, changes taking place in the combined offering, now the changes taking place in the tithe. For CMUM, 5.5 for 2015 and 2016, 6.2 for 2016 and 2017, 11.5 for 2017 2018, minus 2.4 for 2018 and 2019. We come to Enoch, minus 17.7 for 2015-2016, minus 32.2 for 2016 and 2017, 17.2 for 2017 and 2018, and then 1.8 for 2018 and 2019. Fluctuation, inconsistency. Come to South Ghana Union Conference for 2015 and 2016, 8.6. For 2016 and 2017, 8.3. 6.8 for 2017 and 2018, minus 3.5 for 2018 and 2019 for Southern Ghana Union Conference. We see the consistency at times and the inconsistency at other times. What is responsible for these inconsistency in the change in percentage of membership, combined offering, and tithe? Can it be that we can find an appropriate picture that we can use as a template to project a predictive formula based on the membership change and membership growth vis-a-vis the return of tithe and offering, that it may influence and translate into positive result in the different unions as it comes to the division. So now, as we see this, we can see it graphically displayed in this chart of percentage change in tithe returns. From 2015, this color represents 2015 to 2016. And you can see the graph moving down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up and coming down for the different unions as depicted below. You can see the gap in between, the gap below, the gap above. You can see the gaps. You can see the distance from what should be a synchronized, consistent percentage change throughout the union based on their membership, and it should translate into the percentage change in tithe returns. So we move as we compare change in membership, can the change in membership affect the change in tithe returns? Can the change in membership affect the change in combined offerings? So we are asking this question. We are doing the analysis. As we compare change in membership and tithe and offering, is there any influence from membership? Now you look on your screen, you see that membership is depicted by this color. And that is it. This line in the middle, running straight through, is the membership. Now, the next line, which is the red one, is the combined offering. All right? Now, the next one is the tithe. When you look at this graph, CAUM, you will see that the tithe seems to be synchronizing with the membership, suggesting that membership may be influencing the return of tithe and offering. So then the tithe surplus or the tithe return is influenced by the membership growth. But when it comes to the offering, they are far apart from the membership, meaning membership is not influencing the giving of offerings. CAUM also has seen the same benefit of the Tao. She is far away from the membership when it comes to tithe, or closer in combined offering when it comes to combined offering. But when you come to Enoch, in both instances, the offering is far from the membership and the tithe is far from the membership, meaning their growth has no significant bearing on the tithe or the offerings. But when you come to Southern Ghana Union Conference, the picture seemed to be very, very encouraging, because both tithe and offering seem to be synchronizing the membership, suggesting that membership may be influencing the return of tithe and offering. North Western Nigeria Union Conference, we see a gap, a drop, far away from membership. Both tithe and offering drop throughout 2015 and 2016. The drop is deep. So membership is not influencing the giving. So what is influencing the giving of tithe and offering in this union based on the 2015 to 2016 analysis of the comparison of change in membership vis-a-vis tithe and offering? We come here to Northern Ghana Union Mission, and we can see how tithe and offerings are so closely linked to membership, meaning it could be probable that the membership is influencing the return of tithe and offering for the Northern Ghana Union Mission, which should be the ideal that we wish for each union. Northern Nigeria Union Conference, you can see the gap, as some seem to be coming closer with the tithe and offering to the membership. So in some way, membership seems to be a little bit depicting the return of tithe and offering for the ESOM or Eastside Union Mission. For WAHUM, the membership is far away from the offerings that comes to the union. So what is causing them to bring offerings? What is influencing the offerings? And also the tithe is a part as well. So we want to know what is causing this tithe and offering return to the division. What is influencing it? That we may learn to see how we can find a formula and may help them to be closer to the membership, because the membership should influence our giving. The same thing we see here with Western Side Union Mission. You can see that the membership is here and they are closer when it comes to tithe, when it comes to offerings, but they are further when it comes to tithe to the membership. These are analyses that are very important when you look at the 2016, 2017 depiction of the same talent offering change compared to the membership. You can see the fluctuation, the gap, the huge gap in Enoch. Look here, see the gap. In Western Nigeria Union, see the gap. Both tithe and offering are far away from the membership. Both tithe and offering here, far away from the membership. For CNUM and CAUM, they are a little bit, they are far away, but they are not too far as Enoch and Western Nigeria Union Conference. But you can see Southern Ghana Union Conference is closer in both tithe and offering to the membership. Similarly, Northern Ghana Union Conference mission is also closer in tithe and offering to the membership, meaning it is probable that the membership is influencing the giving of tithe and offering, which could be a template that we could use to create a formula so that it can be used for every member, every union based on the membership. Here we see the same thing with Northern Nigeria Union Conference, the gap between the tithe and offering to membership. That's the gap between the tithe and offering to membership, while the gap between the tithe and offering to membership. West Side Union Mission, the gap between offering and membership. And you can see they're a little bit closer with the tithe to membership. Now, when we come to 2017 and 2018, we see the picture seem to be getting better, because here we can see that there's almost a fight to synchronize with the membership. Given the membership is this line here running through, and you can see the tithe and offering from CAUM, you can see the distance from the membership in 2017, 2018. This gave us a picture of inconsistency, because in previous years, sometimes they are closer and sometimes they are further away. This is the inconsistency that we want to arrest. In the CAUM, it is even drifting both in tithe and offering further away from the membership. You can see for Enoch, for this particular year, Enoch is coming closer. It's still a little bit away from the membership, but it is not as further away as it was in the previous year. So there is an improvement. And you can see here, for Southern Ghana Union Conference and membership, they are almost similar or synchronized, which is the ideal that we reach for each union. In this particular year, 2017 and 2018, Western Nigeria Union Conference seemed to be in a tithe return closer to the membership, meaning it is probable that membership is influencing the giving of tithe. But for the offering, it seems that membership is not influencing the offerings, but it's coming closer. Then we come to Northern Ghana Union Conference, Union Mission. You can see that they are closer to the membership with both tithe and offering. This is the same thing that we see with Northern Nigeria Union Conference. Their tithe and offerings is a little bit closer to the membership, meaning that probably membership is now influencing the return of tithe and offering. And some is closer in offering to the membership or further in tithe to the membership. Probable that membership is not influencing either tithe or offering growth. When it comes to WAUM, the story is deeper. They are further away in tithe and offering from the membership, meaning whatsoever is driving their giving pattern is not influenced by membership. Then we see Western Higher Union issue. The trend continues, and we can see it going and going and going. But this is one of the best that could be a template that could be used, because you can see that the membership is almost closer to every union except for CAUM and West African Union Mission. But the rest of the union are virtually trying to come closer to the membership, so that the membership could be a predictor of talent offering return in the future. Having said that, change in membership growth as predictor of change in tithe and offering growth. So we see that the line in the middle depicts the membership change. And you can see the scatter graphic, the scatter blue dots are the offering scatter all over the place instead of coming in synchronism with the membership. We can see at some time they are closer, sometimes they are closer, or sometimes they are further away, which suggests the inconsistency, which this analysis wishes to correct. The same thing as in 2016, you can see the scattered dots all over the place. This is in the change in tithe. The previous one was a change in offerings. And this one is the change in tithe. Then we move to 2017. And you can see the same depiction of the scatter nature. But we have one of the best in 2017. You can see that the membership is constant. You can see that the fluctuation of the tithe and offering does not seem to be too grave. There is a coming closer to the membership here, and it may be one of the best ever in the analysis. Similarly, we see 2018 also as one of the best. Now, based upon this analysis that we have looked at, the question we are asking is, toward a projection formula, what is really at the base of the observed changes in membership, changes in combined offering, changes in tariff offering? What is at the base? What is influencing this membership growth, and how is this membership growth influencing the tithe and offering growth, and how that brings growth to our return to the next level of our church? What should inform a formula that could be derived from this study and analysis of the trend depicted by the changes in membership and the changes in tithe and offering percentages? What should inform the adjustment, if there should be an adjustment, the formula that has been used, that is being used, that will be used? We want to suggest that first we identify the best prediction of tithe and offering. And second, we inquire from the unions what could have been the determining factors during that year of best prediction. And we have seen 2017 and 2018 may have been the best prediction. And that could be a template that could be used based upon the membership of each union to carve out the formula for them so that it will help them come closer to synchronizing with membership because of the growth of members. It should translate into influencing a given party in each union. So we can use the best prediction to calculate and set the minimum expected tithe returns and combine offerings based on current membership, not on past performance, but on current membership. That is a suggestion. Use the findings from unions, how they are increasing their tithe offering, and on that basis, be able to determine factors that have influenced their giving pattern to adjust the formula of the identified best prediction. Mr. Chairman, I move that this report be accepted based on discussion and from part archive of our division. Thank you, sir.